Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming this is a Type-C cable and not a sealed adapter cable. That matters because internal wiring and shields differ. Once done, gather a precision knife, a 2530W soldering iron, small heat shrink tubing, flux, and a multimeter. Make sure devices are powered off and unplugged. Then test continuity to find which conductor fails. Finally, mark the damaged zone and score the jacket carefully. You want to expose conductors without nicking them, because damaged traces are the common failure point. Once the jacket is open, peel back foil and braid to access the insulated cores. Do this gently to preserve shielding. Next, identify V-bus, GND, CC, D+/D, and the super speed differential pairs. Label them or take a photo for orientation. Cut out the damaged section with a clean snip. Then strip about 2-3 mm of each conductor, apply flux, tin the strands, and solder using quick, controlled heats so you avoid melting insulation. Insulate each joint with appropriately sized heat shrink, After insulating individual joints, fold foil and braid back to re-establish shielding and continuity. Secure everything under a larger outer heat shrink for strain relief. Once cooled, test continuity across all conductors and check short circuits. Plug into a low-power device first to verify basic power and data, then try full PD negotiation. If charging or negotiation fails, recheck CC resistor wiring and super speed pair integrity and reflow suspicious solder joints. If problems persist, replace the cable. Some internal controllers are not serviceable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.